everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 2 of our video series in which we are learning the conjugation of Korean verbs in present, past and future tense. If you have not watched the first part yet, then you can go and watch it on Korean Express YouTube channel. Okay, let's begin. 입다, to wear. 입어요, 입었어요, 입을 거예요. One very important note is P-up irregular does not apply to ipta. Okay, which means that ipta is conjugated according to the regular rules of conjugation. It does not follow the rules of conjugation for P-up irregular, although the stem ends in P-up. Okay, this is an exception. Alright. Next is 걷다, to walk. 걸어요, 걸었어요, 걸을 거예요. 마시다, to drink. 마셔요, 마셨어요, 마실 거예요. 쓰다, to write. 써요, 썼어요, 쓸 거예요. 읽다, to read. 읽어요, 읽었어요, 읽을 거예요. 만지다, to touch. 만져요, 만졌어요, 만질 거예요. 있다, to have or to exist or to be at a location or place. It is conjugated as 있어요, 있었어요, 있을 거예요. 없다, to not have, to not exist, to be not at a location or place. It is just the opposite of 있다. 없어요, 없었어요, 없을 거예요. One very important note, the two verbs that we have just seen right now, 있다 and 없다, they have a very important place, or I should say role, in Korean grammar. And therefore, I have made a separate video for these two verbs. How to use them in Korean sentences and what is their meaning in a detailed way. I have explained everything. So, if you want to learn more about these two verbs, itta and opta, then you can go and watch this video on Korean Express YouTube channel. I will also share the link of this video in the description. Okay? Alright. 좋아하다, to like. 좋아해요, 좋아했어요, 좋아할 거예요. 싫어하다, to dislike. 싫어해요, 싫어했어요, 싫어할 거예요. 일하다, to work. 일해요, 일했어요, 일할 거예요. 웃다, to laugh. 웃어요, 웃었어요, 웃을 거예요. 울다, to cry. 울어요, 울었어요, 울 거예요. 듣다, to hear or to listen. 들어요, 들었어요, 들을 거예요. 공부하다, to study. 공부해요, 공부했어요, 공부할 거예요. Okay, so we learned 15 Korean words and how to conjugate them in the present, past and future tense. Now, let's do some sentence practice and understand how to use them in Korean sentences. So, we are going to take very easy and simple sentences because our focus is to understand how to use these verbs in sentences and not on the remaining grammar part of the sentence. Okay, so let's just take some easy sentences for practice. Alright. First one is, I wore a t-shirt yesterday. 저는 어제 티셔츠를 입었어요. Here, the verb 입다 is conjugated in the past tense. Next is, I will walk in the park. 저는 공원에서 걸을 거예요. Here, the verb 걷다 is conjugated in the future tense. Next is, my brother drinks milk every day. 저희 남동생은 매일 우유를 마셔요. Here, the verb 마시다 is conjugated in the present tense. Next is, Jim wrote a letter. 짐은 편지를 썼어요. Here, the verb 쓰다, which means to write, is conjugated in the past tense. I read the magazine in the morning. 저는 아침에 잡지를 읽어요. Here, we have conjugated the verb 읽다 in the present tense. Okay, let's see some more examples. First one is, I will touch my face. 저는 저희 얼굴을 만질 거예요. Next is, my friend is at the library. 저희 친구는 도서관에 있어요. Here, the verb 있다 is conjugated in present tense. I don't have a car. 저는 차가 없어요. 없다, present tense. My sister likes ice cream. 저희 언니는 아이스크림을 좋아해요. The verb 좋아하다 is conjugated in the present tense. Kim dislikes books. 김은 책을 싫어해요. The verb 싫어하다 is conjugated in the present tense. Now let's look at the last 5 examples. My mother works at a company. 저희 어머니는 회사에서 일해요. Here, the verb 일하다 is conjugated in present tense. I laughed a lot. 저는 많이 웃었어요. The verb 웃다 is in past tense. The baby cried at night. 아기는 밤에 울었어요. Here we have conjugated 울다 in the past tense. I will listen to that song. 저는 그 노래를 들을 거예요. Here, the verb 듣다 is being conjugated in the future tense. Next is, my brother studies in the room. 저희 형은 방에서 공부해요. Here, the verb 공부하다 is conjugated in the present tense. Okay, so in this video, we learned the conjugation of 15 Korean verbs in present, past and future tense, along with a lot of sentence practice. So, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.